The global financial stage is currently dominated by a debt-driven model, particularly exemplified by the United States. Max Stacy, offering a unique perspective shaped by living outside the U.S., has been a notable voice in financial reporting. His insights delve into the intricacies of a system that has evolved significantly since 1971, when countries transitioned to a pure fiat money standard. Post-World War II, the United States assumed the pivotal role of being the world's banker, and the Federal Reserve emerged as a central figure in the global financial system. This hegemony has not gone without consequences. Stacy, among others, contends that the U.S. and the broader global economy are ensnared in a debt web, with implications echoing far beyond national borders. The landscape saw a seismic shift with the emergence of Bitcoin. This decentralized digital currency altered the geopolitical dynamics, challenging the traditional norms of the financial world. Bitcoin's rise, however, comes amid growing concerns about the declining purchasing power of fiat money globally, escalating inflation worries, and the widening wealth gap that contributes to increasing poverty rates worldwide. The fiat mentality, deeply ingrained in the existing financial system, is witnessing a counter-revolution with the proliferation of various cryptocurrencies, including what skeptics dismissively refer to as shitcoins. The cryptocurrency market is experiencing a surge, driven by the desire for alternatives to traditional fiat currencies. Yet, this transition is not without its skeptics and detractors. The United States, seen as a torchbearer of the fiat system, is navigating a paradigm shift. Initiatives like debt forgiveness programs, most notably in the form of student debt forgiveness, signal a potential turning point. President Joe Biden's consideration of a help-to-buy scheme for homebuyers adds another layer to the evolving financial landscape, highlighting efforts to address economic disparities and stimulate the housing market. Amidst these transformations, the former SEC official raises a red flag, cautioning against investing in spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs. The concerns stem from potential risks and uncertainties associated with a market that is still finding its footing. Spot Bitcoin ETFs, labeled as a crock and a mechanism for fees sucking, face criticism for their perceived vulnerabilities and implications for market stability. In this dynamic environment, El Salvador emerges as a surprising leader in the post-fiat world. Navigating through challenges, the country has embraced Bitcoin as legal tender, breaking away from the conventional reliance on centralized fiat currencies. This bold move positions El Salvador as a pioneer in redefining the contours of the global financial system. However, skepticism persists. Critics dismiss the idea of a Bitcoin spot ETF as laughable and centralized, raising questions about the feasibility of such a venture. The concerns are not unwarranted, given the potential for financial upheaval, as major crypto bankruptcies loom large on the horizon. The approval of Bitcoin spot ETFs, while seen as a step towards mainstream acceptance, is also viewed as a potential catalyst for financial carnage. The crypto market is not immune to manipulation. Rampant and, in some instances, encouraged market manipulation is noted, adding a layer of complexity and risk that exceeds that of mainstream finance. The idea of a decentralized currency, meant to be a counterforce to traditional financial systems, is paradoxically entangled in its own set of challenges, including the potential for abuse and manipulation. Cryptocurrency, once hailed as a revolutionary alternative, is characterized by some as a Ponzi scheme. Critics argue that it is more expensive, complex, and risky than mainstream finance, challenging the very essence of its purported benefits. The emergence of various cryptocurrencies, often perceived as speculative assets, has fueled concerns about the sustainability and legitimacy of this financial frontier. As the global financial landscape undergoes seismic shifts, the conversation around cryptocurrency and its role in the post-fiat world intensifies. The tensions between traditional fiat currencies and decentralized alternatives underscore the complexities and challenges inherent in this evolving narrative. The road ahead is fraught with uncertainties, and as the debate rages on, the world watches closely, contemplating the future of money and the financial systems that underpin our global economy. Please go ahead liking, subscribing, and sharing with friends to support our content. The information is for general purposes. Viewers should conduct research and consult professionals for financial decisions.